but they're probably light. But the servos,
Servos are heavy, yeah.
And just keep it like as light.
See, but then you'd make it nose heavy if you put the FMS fan in it by taking all that stuff out. So, all right, let's go. Ready?
Timer cleared. Take off flaps.
Now that everything's trimmed, it's going to take off right away. Mr. Noisy.
Yeah, then what's the other one that, no, I'm trying to remember the name. There's another
What are you doing?
Chinese
Ready?
well, there's like Alibaba.
You can turn ahead of me.
Yeah, I know.
Then I want you to take off and get a lap in before me.
Yeah, it still has a disc that it can ride on. No problem. Good enough.
Just go ahead and take off.
It's good enough for at least the runway. Yep.
You ready?
Taking off.
Taking off.
All right.
I'll go behind you.
Direction on you guys.
All right.
I don't think these jets care.
They don't care so much. You should be okay right away, Frank.
All right, Jack.
Okay. Taking off.
There's jets down there. So yeah. We're flying the small fries. Okay, we take off to the right?
Yeah, just let us know where you are so we don't get in your way.
No problem. Once we're up, we'll go back to the regular pattern.
Okay.
Coming out.
This is a blast.
It's fun. It's not bad.
On the runway.
Yeah, I need to redo those hinges.
Okay.
Once I redo the hinges, it's gonna be way better.
Taking off.
But yeah, it's
There you go.
no pass. Right.
Oh, he's going to wear the goggles standing up.
Time remaining.
Sometimes he does stuff that'll make you fall down.
Okay, I'm gonna go a fast pass.
That rudder,
Okay, fast slow pass from the right.
that rudder is not.
No, it's weird, isn't it?
Yeah, because it's moving around.
Okay.
Well,
Okay, I'm doing a fast pass, Frank.
well, I didn't get a chance to check the camera. I think we're going to epoxy that in when we get home.
Oh wow, that tail's got authority.
It does.
Yeah, I think once I fix that
I'm
rudder,
keeping an eye on it so I can see
it's
if
gonna
grab
be
the
good
stick.
because it's like wiggling.
Yeah.
Doing this in the
Yep.
and it's causing the plane to roll up.
Okay, where are you? I'm gonna. After you go by, I'm doing a blast from the right. Fast slow pass from the right.
Time remaining. 1 minute.
Wow, we haven't flown FPV airplanes for a while.
I want to land because I didn't.
Go ahead.
put my- landing. I didn't put my voice top balance.
What you see doesn't match your body.
See how easy it is to land?
Time remaining. 36 seconds. 30
What? This is fun.
Yes, it was. Following it is a better idea than getting in its path. Way high. Right.
Gear down.
It is.
Like,
but
I can
it's
tell you where the
crappy
jet
90.
was
I
a
wouldn't-
few seconds ago.
Are you down?
Do you any good.
Yeah, I'm done.
10 landing flaps. 9, 8.
All right,
Land.
I think he's coming in on a landing.
Landing from the right.
Circle left so you don't end up facing him.
It is. It's a 90.
That's a right.
Okay. Yes.
Okay.
5.
What's the FMS one? Is that 70 or 80? Well, now you're ahead of him. He's already landing behind you. He's down. That's why I said circle left.
Flaps up.
Whoa! Whoa!
2. 1.
Whoa!
That's about as not
Time
silent as you
expired.
That was you, Ray?
Yeah, it did, the wind hit it and it did something funky.
Frank, you said you have succeeded today in doing the right kind of flying and landing.
On the runway! Don't fucking break it again. This stupid thing. That's alright. I can fix that easy. All right. Runway's clear.